Hey, it's Madison, and I'm doing my second peer review on A Sweet Smell of Roses by Angela Johnson. Oh, oops, here we go. The first thing that I noticed that she had picked out was all together, all here. And she says, here the author has used two sentence fragments. I think this is an important impact in this part of the book because it is emphasizing the fact that everyone was there and sticking together. I think that was a really good thing that she had really pointed out. I would not have personally noticed that until I saw that she had picked that out. But I really think that she's really right how the fragments really work together, and it's short to the point. Each one just has two words all together, all here. And it shows how they were. And that ties in with the picture as well. They're all standing there. They're all listening to Dr. King as he's about to give his speech. And it just shows the unity that's there. And using fragments is a very effective way to do so. Something that I pointed out that she did not was how Johnson used the ellipsis here, and she just does that quite a few times throughout this book, listening to Dr. King as the sun gets higher in the sky with an ellipsis, and again here, and the sun gets higher in the sky with an ellipsis, and she goes on to use it quite a few more times, as mentioned here. And it really just shows that while there's so much going on, everyone is kind of just waiting, and it draws it out. It draws the reader's attention to like what's coming next and what's going on. And I think Johnson effectively uses the ellipsis multiple times throughout this book, and it really helps to get her point across. I think that both what she had pointed out as well as what I had noticed with the repetitive ellipses, it really just helps to make the book effective. It draws out the book, and it draws your attention to important things. And while there's so much going on, you're waiting to see, what's happening next, what's going on, what are they going to do, what are they going to talk about next. And then the fragments really work well to point out those really important parts. So I think she did a great job with her annotations this week as well. And this was my peer review, so thank you.